To maintain the best operation of your smart printer, you must clean the printer periodically. The SMART-81 will prompt you to do a cleaning cycle every 5,000 prints. This is a general setting. If your printer is in a dusty environment and you see debris on your printed cards, you will need to clean your printer more frequently. Use only genuine IDP long sleeve cleaning cards for the process. Ready your long sleeve cleaning card and click the Clean Printer button in the Service tab of the Smart Printer driver. After clicking Clean Printer, the program will walk you through the steps. Connect the Smart Printer to a PC, turn it on, and prepare the cleaning card. Click Start Cleaning to move on to Step 2. Check to be sure the printer is entering cleaning mode on the LCD. Open the cover and remove the card cartridge, ribbon cartridge, and cleaning roller. Click Next to move on to Step 3. Insert the leading edge of the cleaning card about 2 inches to 3 into the card exit slot as shown. Press any LCD button to display the printer's temperature. When the temperature of the printer heater drops below 50 degrees, the cleaning card will automatically be pulled inside the printer and will move back and forth to clean. When the cleaning process is completed, the cleaning card will be ejected automatically. Remove the cleaning card and install the cleaning roller, ribbon cartridge, and film cartridge, then close the cover. Click Finish to exit. If you have any questions, you can contact our support at www.carprinterpro.com or call IDP phone at 401-400-7111.